is EiKO's CST1 Commercial Strip, really designed for just about any industrial or commercial application, or really any application that you need a strip fixture. It's very narrow, as you can see here as I'm holding it. Now the cord does not come with it. I just happen to have this plugged in so that you guys can see what it looks like here at the end. I'll turn it on for you. This fixture is available in 120 to 277 volts. It does come in at about 130 lumens per watt. Now you have the option of a 4-foot or an 8-foot. And if you go with the 4-foot, it's about 32 watts. If you go with the 8-foot, it's about 64 watts. Maximum lumen output, of course, this is if you go with the 8-foot version, is about 8,300 lumens. Also it's fixed CCT, so either 4,000 or 5,000. There's no field set, there's no power set. It's really more considered a base SKU. Now the key features that I really like is that it has these push buttons on both ends. You can see one here, and you can also see one over here on this end. So you push these together, and when I do that, you're going to see that this is going to drop down, and you guys are going to be able to see the driver. You're also going to be able to see the wiring, and this is going to make it so that it's super easy to do your wiring when you go to install it as well. So kind of a cool little function. And then when you go to put it back together, obviously you want to make sure all your wires are inside and intact. You don't want to crimp any of those, but basically what you're going to do is just kind of get it lined up here, and then you're going to push those buttons back in, and it's going to kind of snap in. You'll do that on both sides. So just about like so, and voila, you got it all pushed back together, and it looks great. By the way, there's some other accessories that you can get with this. There is an alignment plate accessory that makes row mounting really easy. Those are available in both surface and suspension mount. Also, you can buy aircraft cables if you want. Otherwise, it does come in the box with V-hooks. If you're interested in just suspending it using V-hooks, it comes in the box with that. Also, what's kind of cool is because this fixture is so narrow, it does come with a junction box cover plate too, to kind of help cover and keep that junction box kind of clean. The other kind of features I just want to talk about real quick is it does come with 2 kV of surge protection, 0 to 10 volt dimming with dim to off driver. It does give you a 120-degree beam angle. There are 2 half-inch knockouts on each end as well. And there's also battery backups available too. Now you can use this fixture in damp locations. It does operate down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. That's typically the ambient operating temperature. And what's kind of cool too about this is it is compatible with EiKO's standalone or network lighting controls. Now, it's not controls ready, but what you can do is purchase this little accessory right here. This is basically a half-inch knockout. It converts the fixture to a Z10 receptacle. So this piece right here does not come with the fixture. This is a separate component. You would do a little bit of wiring inside the fixture, but you can see here, it easily connects right through one of those half-inch knockouts. And then what you can do is put on any Z10 control that you want to. So in this case, this happens to be a microwave sensor. You just twist lock that on, and you're good to go. So again, both network and standalone controls through that half-inch knockout, and that's all done in the field, by the way. The other thing I just want to mention is it is ETL listed for US and Canada, FCC, RoHS, ICES 005 compliant. It is DLC standard, and as I mentioned, it is also damp location. Now you can learn more about this fixture specification by visiting eiko.com or reaching out to one of our many regional managers or local agents. Before I leave you, I will turn it on so you can see what it looks like. All right, and there you have it. So again, this is EiKO's CST1 Commercial Strip.